Alright guys, welcome back to All American Motors. This is the Mazda b2500 and we're going to do the first start since the 10th month of last year, so like at least a good half a year. Alright guys, welcome back to All American Motors. Today we're working on the Mazda b2500 4-cylinder 2.5 liter engine. We are going to be installing the intake side of it. We're going to be installing the intake manifold and the throttle with the throttle body with it. We've got our new gasket here that says this side up. I may not video all of it, but I'll give you an idea of how this goes down because I'm one-handed with my phone currently. I'm going to go through and plug in my fuel injector wires. These were unplugged. Oh, I kind of twist, just kind of clip them on there. Make sure this little cutout is to the back of your fuel reel. There we go. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get our hoses hooked up, get this set back down, and get back. Alright, I might not have the best view, I might not be able to see everything, but I'm going to at least have this on video. Hopefully. See if that'll focus for me. I'm going to hook up all the lines. I did not take this engine apart, so I'm trying to figure out where everything goes, so bear with me. But I think I've gotten to the point where I think I've gotten everything close to where I think it's going to go. Alright, I'm connecting a line. The throttle body here. Alright, connected. Alright, well guys, what we did is we went and put the spark plug wires back in. I might show a diagram of that. Those were a little bit difficult as this is a twin cylinder, 4-cylinder engine, or twin spark plug, however you want to say it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put these 13mm bolts down on the intake manifold and go ahead and get a few hoses and lines. I may not show all of it, but we'll get this get back together, see how far we get tonight. Alright, I got the camera sit down. Hopefully I can see something. Sometimes 2 little screws will take longer than other ones. Oh well. At least we have a gasket and it'll seal now. We'll probably just delete this, it's not really needed, but since it's here, we'll go ahead and put it back on. I know I didn't video all of it and it may be kind of bad, but This truck wasn't really all that hard to get back together. I've installed our cold air intake that the truck had already. I've installed the serpentine belt. Now I'm going to go in with the fan and the radiator. Let's do this. The radiator is just going to sit down in there and be held on with 2 bolts. Now, gotta see which way does my fan go. It says front right here, so I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna put that side to the front, and we'll just set that in there, and we'll slide this on down. Let's just go. Stop trying to do too many things at once. Let's just do the radiator. Let's slide down the radiator. The radiator hose is in just a second. Of course, I was going in backwards. I don't see it. How does this go in? I'll go over this briefly, which we'll probably have videos about some of how I put it all back together, but it was taken all apart. The valve cover was off. The engine was knocking or ticking. We're going to start it up, going to find out. This truck has not been run in about 6 months, I'd say. I put back together the valve cover, put back together the timing belt, had to take this AC clutch out and this power steering pump. Of course, this throttle body was off. I've got a new gasket on the intake manifold and a new gasket on the valve cover. We've got oil in it, we've got coolant in it, we've got a brand new battery, or charged battery. We're going to see if it'll start up. Let's do it. And the first start up and see what she sounds like. The first start up in a long while since the motor was taken apart. I'm excited. Comment down below if it'll start. It's a 5-speed manual. So it's got a clutch. Sounds like a modern vehicle with all the thingy. What? Go for it again. Back to All American Motors. Today we are going to be starting the Mazda. We had some other footage. Hopefully that was good. Alright. I got some starting fluid in it. Let's see. I think she wants some more starting fluid.
I think so too. Just a little more.
Just a little more. Selling different things. Hopefully my timing is correct, because that could explain some things. But even when the timing isn't correct, some guys are still able to get it running.
Give it a little gas.
What?
Give it a little gas.
That's what I was doing.
Oh.
I got the Mazda started, and this is what it sounds like. It's a 5-speed manual. It's got a 6-speed automatic. It's got a 4-speed manual. It's got a 4-speed manual. It's got a 6-speed manual. It's got a 4-speed manual. It's got a 6-speed manual. It's got a 4-speed manual. It's got a 6-speed manual. It's got a 4-speed manual. It's got a 6-speed manual. It's got a 4-speed manual. It's got a 6-speed manual. It's got a 4-speed manual. It's got a 6-speed manual. It's got a 4-speed manual. It's got a 6-speed manual. It's got a 4-speed manual. It's got a 6-speed manual. It's got a 4-speed 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 ma Sorry we didn't exactly have it all in video, but this is the first drive in the Mazda since I've had it. Oh, let's see if it'll start back up. I'm reversing right now. That is so bad.
Let's see what this thing sounds like. Oh, that's loud. Oh my. At least this thing has brakes. My.
That's all, folks. No, wait. But wait, there's more.
We're gonna buy a used engine here soon for this, so stay tuned. And subscribe. See y'all next time.
Probably.